Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn the C++ syntax. Like we will learn how, like statement wise, why we have written statement wise lines in C++. So it's regarding syntax, guys. So it's regarding syntax. So let's get into the class. So here, this is my code block, and you can see the hello world cpp program here, and this is my program. So we are having hash include less than IO stream greater than, right? So it is a it is a it is a header library. It's a header library which it's a header file library which helps in output and output and input functionality. So what is the use of hash include IO string? It helps in functionality. So input and out functionality, if you want to use, you have to include hash include IO string. So it is a header file library and which helps in the output and input functionality. So that is why we are writing the hash include IO string. So without this, you cannot write input and output functionality. And the next one is using namespace. Using namespace. So it is it is used in the giving names to the objects and variables. So for those purpose, we will use the above statement. So if you want to give names to the objects and variables, then you have to implement, like we have to write the using namespace std. And here we are having a line gap, right? A line gap, which helps in to read the code more efficiently. So which helps in code readability. Like if you are given some space here, so like the compiler, the C++ compiler will ignite this free space, and it will come to the another line where the statement is written. And after that, we are having ninth one. So ninth, it is a main function. It is a it is a main function where function starts, where execution starts. So this is where this is the main function. So from the main function only, the program will be executed. The program will be executed, and it is surrounded with the flower brackets. Flower brackets. So that's it, friends. This is about main function, and we are having C out. So it is pronounced pronounced as the C out. C out. This pronounced as a C out, right? We have writing C out, right? So, and it is a output functionality to print. So this is what? So this is what C out will do. So we are having the inside, and we are having the inside symbol, right? We are having inside symbol, which is less than. So it is an inside symbol, and it will the statement will end with semicolon and with semicolon and with semicolon. So C out less than hello world, and it ends with semicolon. So this is about C out, and we are having return 0. So the program will stop when this the below line when the below line executed. So I hope you understand all the lines here. So this is the basic understanding syntax, like line by line syntax of the C++ program. So let's say I execute this thing. So when you click on this button, the hello world program will be executed. And press any key to stop it. So in this way, we can execute the C++ program. This is all about the syntax of C++. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. And then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai.